Hello everyone, this video will be very important for UPSC aspirants as the date announced, that is 28th September by Supreme Court for hearing the matter of postponement of preliminary examinations of this year is now postponed to 30th September 2020. So now, the plea will be heard in Supreme Court on 30th September 2020. Today, the Supreme Court has directed UPSC to file their affidavit by tomorrow, that is 29th September 2020, listing down the logistical reasons for not postponing the civil services examinations of 2020. Moreover, the petitioners have sought postponement of the civil services exam for 2 to 3 months so that the flood, rains, and most importantly, the COVID-19 situation gets in control. The plea has been filed by 20 UPSC aspirants against conducting of the civil services examination on October 4. The plea was filed by Vasireddy Govardhana Sai Prakash and others, submitted that the decision of the UPSC to conduct the exam in accordance with the revised calendar violates the rights of the petitioners under Article 19 Clause 1 Clause G of the Constitution to practice their chosen profession, occupation of serving the public. According to the plea, this 7 hours long offline exam will be taken by approximately 6 lakh aspirants at test centers in 72 cities across the country. And the plea added that conducting the examination across India at such a difficult time is nothing else but putting lives of lakhs of young students at utmost risk and danger of disease and death. In addition to this, the plea also added that due to non-availability of exam centers in their hometowns, many aspirants are facing unimaginable hardship. Despite alarming spurt in COVID-19 pandemic, UPSC did not increase the number of examination centers, resulting into a situation where many candidates from rural areas will be forced to travel around 300 to 400 kilometers in order to reach to their examination centers, and there will be high probability of such aspirants getting affected while using public transportation for such long distance travel. So, to sum up, now the plea will be addressed by Supreme Court on 30th September 2020, and tomorrow, that is 29th September, the UPSC has to provide an affidavit which contains logistical reason that why UPSC examination should not be postponed. Stay tuned for further updates regarding UPSC examination 2020. Thank you for watching this video.